In this video, we are going to learn how to manage tasks efficiently in Nexleon CRM. First, you need to log in as admin, then go to tasks. In here, we have a list of all the tasks. Also, we have the statuses. We can filter this list according to the statuses. Also, we can add new tasks with this button. With this public checkbox, we can make it public, available to all. If the task is available, then we can make it check. We can specify the subject. Hourly rate is the start date, is the due date. We can select the priority. If the task is repeating, then we can select these options. Select the module to which the task is related. You can specify the customer. We can assign the task to a particular member. Also, we can assign the followers for the task. From here, we can add the tags. From here, we can add the task description and save. From here, we can start the timer also. These are the information about the task. Also, we can add the reminder for the task. And from the Dropbox, we can add the files related to the task. After the task is saved, it will be listed in the list. And from this list, we can also start the timer. Also, can be edited from this link. We can delete the task. Also, we can change the status from this. Here it is the start date and due date. Also, we can change the priority from this list. From export button, we can export the task in Excel format, CSV, PDF and print. From bulk actions, we can mass delete and change the statuses, priority and assignees for multiple tasks. So this is how we can manage the tasks in Nexleon CRM.